This video explains how to complete the online orientation workshop. The objective of the online orientation workshop is to familiarize students with the expectations for online learning and to show how to use Blackboard, the learning management system. Let's cover some important notes about this assignment. Please note that this assignment is different than the new student orientation program that you completed upon entering Cincinnati State as a student. This assignment is worth 100 points, but you can earn 10 extra credit points if you complete this assignment on Wednesday of the first week of class. You will not be able to view or complete any future coursework after week 2 if you do not complete this assignment. This workshop takes anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, and in order to earn credit for this assignment, you will need to upload proof of your completion. And you can submit your proof of completion in one of 2 ways. Within 24 to 48 hours of completing the online orientation workshop, you'll receive a certificate of completion. However, please note that it will probably not appear immediately upon completion. You can find that in the course achievements link in the online orientation workshop. It looks like this. So you'll save that and you'll submit that as proof of completion. The other way to submit your proof of completion is a screenshot of your completed modules, which can also be found in the course achievements link in the online orientation workshop. Here is what that looks like. You would save that screenshot to your computer and submit it through the link above. Next, we're going to talk about how to enroll in the workshop. So first, we'll click here. Takes us to the website that explains the online orientation workshop. Please read through all of the information here. In addition to directions for how to enroll in the online orientation workshop, there are also some frequently asked questions that you should take advantage of. So let's look at how to enroll. Log on to MyC-State. Click on the College Community tab. Under the Organization Catalog module, click on the Online Orientation Workshop link. Organization Catalog, Online Orientation Workshop. To enroll, hover your cursor over the OOW in the Organization ID column and then click on Enroll. Next, hit Submit. Hit OK. And you are ready to start the workshop. Again, this workshop takes anywhere from 1 to 3 hours to complete, so make sure you give yourself enough time to do that. Once you have completed the workshop, again, you will have proof of completion in one of 2 ways that we just explained. Once you're ready to submit the assignment, click on Online Orientation Workshop. Here are the directions again. Browse local files. When we hit this, we're looking for your saved proof of completion, so you're either going to submit your saved screenshot of your modules or your online orientation workshop certificate of completion if you received that. So you've already saved these to your computer. You're browsing for a local file. Here's my online orientation workshop proof of completion. Double click and submit. And that is how to complete the online orientation workshop.